Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Milk temperature modeling is a classic calculus challenge that we can solve quickly by using differential equations and tangent lines. Let's master this problem together. First, we sketch the solution curve through the point 0, 5 on the slope field. Notice how the slopes guide the curve upward toward the horizontal asymptote at 40 degrees. Next, we find the tangent line at time 0. The slope is 1/4 of 40 minus 5, which equals 8.75. This gives us our linear approximation for 2. Finally, we calculate the second derivative. Since it is negative, the graph is concave down, meaning our tangent line approximation is an overestimate. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check steps.